sweet killer disease, diabetes. I heard from Mrs. Vasanta that most of you or many of you are having diabetes, and you know better than me. Just a guideline I am giving. Okay? So first, what is diabetes? Diabetes is a metabolic disease characterized by hyperglycemia resulting from combination of resistance to insulin and deficiency in secreting insulin. So it may look complicated to you. Let me explain this to you. It's a multi-system disease. Diabetes affects almost all your systems. What is the exact defect? There is a defect in secretion of insulin, and the second thing is the defect in action of insulin. Even if you have insulin, the insulin is not acting properly. So why do we need insulin? Why is insulin very important? Insulin is a hormone that metabolizes the glucose in your blood. Okay, that helps you to take the glucose from the blood, and it makes the muscles to work. Okay, so the glucose from the blood reduces. So if there is no insulin, you will have lot of insulin in the blood. Everywhere glucose you will have, and you won't be able to use the glucose. So you might have here water everywhere, not a drop to drink. So when the sailor, they are lost in the sea, they will have lot of water. Everywhere water is there, but will you be able to drink the water? No. So same thing in diabetes also, you will have lot of blood glucose, but you won't be able to utilize the glucose. Okay, that is the main problem in diabetes. In epidemiology, that is prevalence of diabetes. In 2010, in worldwide I am speaking, almost 285 million people are affected by diabetes, and that is expected to rise to 566 million in 2030. Out of this, 1/3 of the people are from India. So we should be happy or sad? Sugar capital. India is called the diabetic capital of the world. Okay. So we have to do something to reduce. The reasons why it is becoming like this. There is change in lifestyle. So olden days lifestyle is different. Nowadays our style of living is very different. You must be knowing. So our lifestyle has modified our habits, and we experience lot of stress, and for everything we have machines to work. No? Mixie, grinder, washing machine, everything is ready-made, available. So we don't do any work. Just put the switch on, see whether they are working or not, and get everything ready for us. So no work, sedentary work, that leads to diabetes. Then aging of population. Nowadays we see more old people. So previously the life expectancy was around 60. Nowadays, because of the medical help for the patients, now the life expectancy is more. So we see more diabetic patients. And low birth weight babies. We are surviving the low birth weight babies. So that leads to diabetes mellitus in their later life. Now a short classification of the diabetes. We classify diabetes as type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, others, and gestational diabetes. Okay? So type 1 is very common in children. Children and adolescents, type 1 diabetes is occurring, and type 2 diabetes occurs in adults. Gestational diabetes, that is the diabetes developing during pregnancy. So type 1 diabetes is due to beta cell destruction. So beta cell is that is situated in the pancreas. Pancreas is one organ in our body. So beta cell is there in the pancreas. From the beta cell, the insulin secretion occurs. Okay. So the beta cells get destructed. Because of some unexplained reasons, some autoantibodies or something, lot of theories are there. So beta cell destruction leads to insulin deficiency and diabetes mellitus. So they don't have insulin at all. type 1 diabetes mellitus patients, they don't have insulin at all and they require lifelong insulin. They need to take insulin injection lifelong.